Some people, they think that they got all-wheel drive or 4x4s and pickup trucks where they can just speed. But unfortunately, sometimes they end up in a ditch. Hey, good morning everyone. This is Safety Stacy recording a video about these tricky driving conditions in the winter upstate New York. As you can see, the road has been compromised by a little snow mixed with salt, mixed with rain, mixed with ice. And the best thing to do is just slow down a little bit. You know what I mean? Some people, they think that they got all-wheel drive or 4x4s and pickup trucks where they can just speed. But unfortunately, sometimes they end up in a ditch when they're speeding past me. I call them plow jockeys because they think that four-wheel drive prevents them from sliding and going into the ditch, and it really doesn't. So what you have to do is just slow down. Like, for instance, this road that I'm driving on right now, the speed limit is 50 miles an hour. I'm only doing 30. And maybe 30 is a little too fast, but at the same time, I do have experience. So I know some vehicles are better equipped to deal with this type of weather and road conditions. Like this Lexus that I have. It's only a 2012. And it's my second one of this model. And from what I know, these vehicles are very good in the snow. Like, I never get stuck. I won't say that I don't slide, but when I turn off the tracking control, it straightens out, and I slow down, of course. But definitely, the vehicle that you do have can help you, but you do have to pay attention and slow down as well. So now, even when you begin to slide, there are certain things that you got to do. You have to take your foot off the gas, take your foot off the brake, and just steer the vehicle and let it, slow down on its own and just steer it. Because if you're sliding and you got that brake pedal pushed to the floor, it's going to make it worse because you have no control of that vehicle. You have to take your foot off the brake. Definitely take your foot off the gas if that's what's going on, and just steer the vehicle, and it'll come to a stop on its own. And also, when you're driving in inclement weather, you have to keep a safe distance from the other vehicles that's on the road. You want to look up as far up the road as you can see, just in case there's something going on, so you can have a chance to maneuver to either go around it or find another route so you can avoid that situation, whatever's going on the road. Because some people, when they drive, they end up too close to you, and if you have an emergency where you got to slam on your brake or whatever, and they're right on your bumper, then you know what that leads to. 55, I'm only doing 20. On top of that, there's no street lights, so go figure. And then to make matters worse, there's a lot of deer back here. A lot. So, and it's a windy road with hills. Definitely gotta slow down and respect it, because I don't want to end up on the side of the ditch right there. Then we got some oncoming traffic here. Good thing he turned. Great. Another hill. Just stab your brakes. Don't step on them. Don't hold them. Just stab them coming down these hills and around these curves. So that's the trick to driving in this type of weather. It's just slowing down, paying attention, making sure you're using your mirrors. Your mirrors are your best friend, right? I learned that when I was first learning how to drive commercial vehicles, but I apply that to no matter what vehicle I'm driving. Every 3 to 5 seconds, just take a look out of your mirrors, all of them, see what's around you. Help you. Trust me. But there's a lot of people in a lot of different states and cities that's not used to this type of weather. They come up here. If they was to ride with me, they'd probably lose their damn minds. Stepping on brakes over there in the passenger seat that's not there. And I'll just be like, really, buddy? Yeah, I was just giving you guys a heads up, introducing myself, and there's going to be a lot of more videos to follow. So thank you, subscribe, and see you next time.